After here, the video gamer, and welcome to my new server for Block Stars Part 1. So, we're gonna build something, and there's the Indonesia friends, and let's start it. The first build is plays MC. James play MC. Look, this is built by a guy from YouTuber Dan TDM is here. And other YouTuber. Wow, he's pretty great builder. So, um, the next build is me. I build my own head, and the bunny. And I build this heart for a date. And I build this all tree. Pretty cool. So, our next build is Andre. He's a girl, but he built a roller skate ice, and he built this roller skates for skates, and this love heart for dating. So here's for Woohoo. He built a wooden house, and it looks so great. I built this down house. It's full of crafting tables. Oh, pretty nice build, huh? So that's the end of our episode, and I will see you for another Block Stars. Peace.